Hi, we're Dean and Holly Kim Sunseri, founders of Transform You and authors of the book, A Roadmap to the Soul. For over 3 decades, we've sat with individuals and couples in some of the most painful moments of their lives. Marriages falling apart, anxiety spiraling out of control, emotional shutdowns, addictions, depression, shame, unresolved trauma, and people wondering why they keep doing the same unhealthy patterns despite their best efforts to change. And what we discovered is this: most people are not broken beyond repair. They are wounded beneath awareness. The behaviors people hate about themselves, the emotional shutdown, the anger, the control, the fear, the addiction, the withdrawal, these patterns are usually formed around unresolved pain. Yet most systems today teach you how to manage the symptoms rather than heal the root. That's why we created Transform You and the Roadmap to the Soul process. Our mission is to liberate people from unhealthy lifestyles into true self-freedom, emotionally, psychologically, and spiritually. We believe transformation happens when you identify your unhealthy thoughts and behaviors, heal the wounds driving these patterns, and step into authentic living, or living from your true self. And our vision is bigger than counseling or coaching sessions. We believe healthy individuals transform marriages, and healthy marriages transform families, and healthy families transform communities, and transformed communities impact culture. So this is more than a business for us. It's a movement towards healing, freedom, and restoration. And we'd love you to be a part of it.